sorry I didn't say good morning yet, but I am saying good morning now. We are on our way to a Runaway Railway, which we haven't ridden, so I'm very excited because we haven't ridden it yet, and it's a brand new experience, and I love these. These are my favorite. We did get Rise of the Resistance this morning. We're group 51. We accidentally had our friends who were coming in today, but we aren't spending time with them today. They were in our group, so we got a little bit of a later group, but that's okay. We got the group, and I'm very excited about it. All right, brand new experience. This is all of ours. First time riding this.
I know, I'm very excited.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Shane. Spoilers ahead. Oh, it's still, it looks the same. Like the inside is still the same, except for these. So the inside is still the same. It's lovely. It's beautiful. Oh look, oh there's no, okay, this is interesting. Back it out.
Welcome everyone. Well, we have a little change of plans.
So no pre-show.
Oh, look how cool that is.
I'm assuming this was the pre-show and there was some sort of magic. Yep, look, it opened.
Yeah. Oh, where it got blown apart.
Oh, Run Amok Park Trains.
The worst, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
My favorite. your favorite ride? Or is Minnie and Mickey's Railway now? Which one?
Mickey and Minnie's bowling.
You like that one? Love you. No, you don't want me to hold you? Oh, Miss Brave Girl. Are you gonna put your arms up? Here we go. Put your arms up. Woo! Woo! We're on a date on Slinky Dog.
The best date.
A 2-minute date.
Hey, I'll take what I can get.
And keep an eye out. Y'all ready to dash around in this backyard?
What a great date.
Great date.
I love galaxies, actually, so pretty.
Oh, so cool.
Everything I wouldn't do for you, we stick together till it's through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. Yes, you do. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, babe. Hey. We haven't talked about this yet, but did we get Rise of the Resistance?
We did.
What boarding group are we?
51.
And
My
what
wife
time?
was very excited about it.
Our boarding group went live around 2:45
Yeah.
for boarding group 51. But I know that they started boarding a little late, but typically 51 boards about 2.
Okay, there you have it.
Ruthie, Ruru, what do you get to ride?
Rise of Resistance.
Are you excited? I just want you guys to notice, to keep people away from each other, they have these lines, like here, and then they have it all open, and then the next line is here, just so people can still have that 6 feet of social distance space. And then there's plexiglass up here, and then regular lines here because they're able to keep people separated with this plexiglass. So there's more into here. You excited? First Rise of the Resistance, Suze.
Very excited. So, I mean, it's been so fun to do Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah.
This is really
You're gonna like it. It's like Mickey and Minnie's, but it's you going to Star Wars instead of Minnie. Oh yeah, it's incredible. So it's like Minnie Mickey's, but Star Wars movie instead of Minnie Mickey's. How you doing, Maru? You ready? Thumbs up? Cutie. Isn't he cute? He's talking.
Well assembled. Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the calls.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just want you to know.
Engines are hot.
It's very... Okay.
Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red the shield. We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
They're wheel.
I'm glad to go out.
They're clean, even on the devil's ship.
When the skeleton detail needed in Bay 3R.
It's pretend, Ruru. It's pretend.
They're in costumes.
Okay. Right here, babe.
I sat and asked your parents for your hand in marriage at the bottom of this hotel.
Aw, honey.
That's what I always think about.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What'd they say? Ask her what she said.
What'd you say? Oh, look at how sunburned I am. Yo, look at how sunburned. Oh no, it's just a weird angle.
Was it this one or was it beach?
Sunburns don't travel.
Was it boardwalk? Oh, yes, we have boardwalk.
Oh, what was I gonna say? Okay, hi, good evening. Sorry I didn't,
Wow, great vlog, honey.
Thank you. Sorry I didn't update you after Rise of the Resistance because my thing died. My vlogger died because the battery. So, where are we headed?
Epcot.
Epcot, because we did a tour today. So we had reservations tonight for Epcot. And so we are headed to Epcot to do some of the Food and Wine Festival / Flower and Garden Festival. Should be fun. Susie's ready. But look at this pretty sunset. And look at that pretty gal. Two pretty things right behind me. And two other little pretty things right behind me. Hi, babies. You guys look all bundled up and ready to go. Guess what? It's 70 degrees, but we live in California, so it's basically freezing.
Sweatshirts and sweatpants.
Might as well be snowing. Well, whoops. I forgot to vlog this entire time because we saw my friend who I haven't seen in a very long time, and I missed her, and we got to spend time with her this afternoon. And my camera is not focusing. There we go. But we had a nice evening. We rode Spicy Donald. I put him up on my Instagram, so I actually did most of the ride on Instagram. And so if you aren't following me over there, it's Pixie Dust and Parenting. Same as here with some underslashes. But it was a nice evening. It was a nice evening.